Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. I told you guys I'm going to keep you guys up to date on the new smog laws coming into effect or that might be changing. So here in California, Senate Bill 712, Leno's law. That one's already been introduced into Senate, unlike the Transportation Freedom Act from Bernie Moreno that is going to the U.S. Senate, has not been introduced into Senate yet. So who knows what's going on with either, but SB712 is actually already in process and is making way more leeway than the Transportation Freedom Act from Bernie Moreno. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share right now, and I will be coming out with videos as I start comprehending new laws or the new rules and regs. If anything happens on either one of these two different laws, rules, and regs, I will be putting out updates on everything. When the Senate goes to vote on these, either California or United States, I will be hopefully going live and bringing it to you guys just with reaction. So getting to the task at hand. SB 712 that's going through California legislation right now, Leno's law. This is really just going to be a change on the current California collector vehicle smog exemption rule. So already there is a current rule through the Bureau of Automotive Repair. If you have a collector vehicle, you could be exempt from smog here in California. Now, how do you get into the collector car smog exemption currently? Your vehicle has to be 35 years old, pass smog, the initial smog to get into the program, and that will qualify you to get into that program. There's a second possible requirement. Your vehicle could be 25 years old with a historical plate and proof that the vehicle is in shows, parades, and stuff like that. And third, you could have a special interest or a special construction vehicle, and you have to pass smog initially to get into that program. Now, what Leno's law is going to do is change the requirements to get into the California collector car smog exemption. So, only one that is going to change. If your vehicle is 35 years and older, you will no longer need the smog to get into that smog exemption rule. But you will have to provide proof that your vehicle is insured as a collector vehicle, not as a standard insured vehicle. So to get collector car insurance, there's usually caveats to it to where it can't be driven too much. It has to be stored in certain areas. What else could it be? Well, stored in certain areas. That would be in like a garage, under a carport, so stuff like that. It's not just going to be every vehicle that's 35 years old and older is exempt from smog anymore. You're going to have to apply for this program, the California Collector Car Smog Exemption Program, to be smog exempt. So that is a little bit of the understanding of SB 712 that's currently going through legislation right now. If this video was any type of entertaining to you, if you liked the video, comment below. Let me know what kind of vehicle you're driving. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, because if I get any information about any of these smog rules that are changing that are going to affect California, I will let you guys know, and I will make sure I do the research to make sure that these are the actual rules that are going to apply to you. Not that a tailpipe dream is coming and just go modify the heck out of your car and keep our fingers crossed that you're going to be able to pass smog. I'm going to make sure that these are rules and regs written in stone, and then let you guys know what you could do with your vehicle, what cars will qualify for that smog exemption, and stuff like that. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, again, hit that like button below. I will see you guys in the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.